What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add time and date field into Google Forms. So first off, head over to Google Drive by just typing drive.google.com, and after that, click on New and then click on Google Forms. After going to Google Forms, you can see that you can now create a blank Google form. So just give it the form name, and after that hit enter, and when you are done, as you can see, this is the title of the form. Now after that, add a question, and in the question, when you write the time at the right side, you can see that it can be automatically displayed here, or it will display here as the time. And after that, you can just click on this multiple choice, and a drop down menu will appear. From here you can choose time, and if you want to add the date too, you can just click on this plus icon and then type date. When you type date, this will show the date section, and then click on multiple choice again, and then this time select date. And then as you can see, you can add your time and date field in Google Forms. So this is how you can add a time and date. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.